Hello again. These are a couple of little Yale padlocks. I think on the packet it said 24 mil, but I just measured them and I think they're 25 mil. But anyway, whatever. My wife bought them for my son and I for Christmas, and I'm going to pick them. This one has been extremely heavily WD-40'd. Because it was, I don't know, it was a funny little, where are we? They don't pick terribly easily, actually, because it's a narrow keyway at the top. Oh, it's stuck, I think. I thought I had it upside down. It wasn't doing anything. There we go. And this one, yeah, just checking. This one hasn't got any WD-40 in it at all. And need picking. It certainly did. Anyway, there we go. That's those two picked. Thanks for watching and see you around.